There is a packaged air conditioner mounted up on the roof. And I think it might be a Carrier, but don't know for sure. And there's no way of knowing for sure what year it's from. My guess would be mid to late 2000s, maybe newer. And as you can see, there's an exhaust pipe right above it. And there's also a ventilation system, which is right there. And there's another one up there. Not really much to film. And I accidentally hit the stop button. I'm sure that there are more AC units on the roof, but that's the only one I can see from this angle. But yeah, just thought I'd film it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.